This dog clearly skipped climbing class because that wall just won the battle and sent him right back to earth. That face when your human starts speaking your language but clearly has a terrible accent. Being a single parent to this many energetic fluff nuggets is truly exhausting work, but look at those tiny faces and try not to melt because my heart is simply overflowing. This tiny void starts off acting all mysterious and serious but quickly transitions into full chaos mode because the zoom ice hit hard.
Now! Right fucking now! Stand up and be a fucking man! Fuck that, Troy! I'm out! Fuck you, man! Fuck you! I'm about to hate you! I'll fuck you up! I know where the fuck you live! I will have the cops up your ass in 5 fucking minutes! To my door now! Right fucking now! Wanna see what I mean? I paid for this place, stupid bitch, huh? Now you fucking left.
You inside the apartment! Neighbors saw you go inside!
Kamu siapa? Ya. Kamu siapa gitu? Apa sih coki lah?
Behold this tiny white marshmallow exploring the vast wooden wilderness of a single shelf. With legs shorter than my attention span and eyes full of existential wonder, he navigates the corner like it is uncharted territory. One small step for kitten, one giant leap for feline kind. If being this fluffy and confused was a full-time job, he would be CEO.
Molly, ayo masuk. Tadi katanya mau makan. Itu ayam rebusnya udah jadi, udah mateng. Tuh, Maru lagi ngintai ayam tetangga. Molly jangan ikutan ya. Apa Molly sama ngintain ayam tetangga? Nggak boleh ya. Jangan diuber-uber. Nanti yang punyanya marah. Nanti Molly diomelin. Mau diomelin? Nggak mau kan? Jadi makan nggak? Molly nggak lapar. Nanti ayamnya dihabisin loh sama Maru tuh. Maru udah pulang. Ayo Ru, masuk Ru. Molly tinggalin aja.
Finding someone who looks at you like these kittens look at the city lights is the ultimate relationship goal.
Ini satpam nggak aman. Nah ini kerjanya tuh. Dari tadi molor, ya ampun. Lelap bener molornya. Pak Satpam Abu sama Pak Satpam Baron ya positif thinking aja, mungkin sip malam ya, kalian sip malam ya, kerja jaga satpamnya sip malam. Oke. Pulas bener lagi tidurnya pandaan, ya ampun.
Waking up feeling like a feline in a fabulous afro wig is the peak energy we all need this morning. Between lounging in the garden with royal purple irises and contemplating life among the lilacs, this cat clearly knows how to live its best life. From domestic fluff to backyard adventurer climbing high above the birdhouses, every dream is coming true. May your coffee be strong and your hair be as legendary as this majestic kitten.
Желаю за мечтой идти, не унывать и не сдаваться.
When mom is away, the fuzzy squad hits the silicon milk bar for a round of drinks on the house.
Ребенок у нас еще на прошлой неделе умирал, да? Спасибо, моя булочка. Да, ты у нас, смотри, как играешься. А ты еще на прошлой неделе не знала, я не знала, доживешь ты или нет. Нам дядя в ветеринарке предложил тебе последний укольчик сделать, да? Дядя идиота кусок. Ему бы последний укольчик сделать, да? Да, а всего лишь надо было нормально, чтобы ребенок питался. Вот так. Да. Дяде бы этому последний укольчик сделать, да, Шерочка, да? Дяде бы последний укольчик сделать, да. Дядя заслужил последний укольчик, а Шер нет.
Meet my latest work-from-home assistant who is clearly taking their job way too seriously. As you can see by this highly technical and exhaustive training footage, productivity has reached an all-time low today. This tiny tuxedo kitten has decided that my laptop setup is the ultimate daybed and that my personal space is merely a suggestion. Working hard or hardly working is not even a question here. I guess I will just cancel all my meetings because the boss has officially clocked out for a long nap.
Oh no! Bang, you're dead. Roll over. Good girl, Stormy, come here.
Trying to pet this fluffy cloud is a real struggle when it refuses to stop moving for even 1 second.
Hate. Double hate. Loathe entirely.
Ayo, Uti. Ayo, Uti. Ayo, Uti. Ayo. Ayo, Uti. Ayo. Ayo, Uti. Ayo. Ayo, Uti. Ayo. Ayo. Ayo, sudah. Ayo, ayo. Ayo. Ayo, makan. Masuk rumah. Masuk rumah. Ayo, masuk rumah. Ya, Utinya mau makan. Ya. Ayo makan dulu. Ayo makan dulu. Ayo makan. Lucin juga makan. Ayo makan. Ayo makan ya.
I thought my cat was just being lazy and staying home, but it turns out he has actually been moonlighting as a professional motorcycle security guard this whole time.
Meow 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 meow. Meow 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 meow.
Này.
Being a mother is a full-time job with no breaks allowed, and the coworkers are constantly demanding more snacks while you are just trying to take a quick nap on the floor. This ginger buffet is officially open.
ชิวๆเนาะชิวๆSabi nga na sayang. May cuti. Cuti. Laki. Cepat. Cuti. Pindah. Tak ada. Pindah. Cuti. Cuti lagi. Cepat tau. Cepat tau. Cepat tau. Cepat tau.
When you realize that your bowl is only 90% full and the world is ending. This orange feline is currently questioning every life choice while waiting for a secondary serving of treats.
Ke depan nak. Ayo.
Imagine a tiny fluffy round head popping out like a furry whack-a-mole game while the bigger cat tries to play along but clearly misses every single chance to actually catch the sneaky little rascal.